Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, welcome back.
I got pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel.
So y'all, today's video is going to be a house / meal prep video. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you're already here, make sure you click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss a video. So I got the honey barbecue sauce, extra virgin olive oil. I needed some more. Creole seasoning, 2 cans of green beans. Y'all, I love green beans so much. I got a white onion. I got some s'mores, granola bars for snacks for work. I have bananas, y'all. If you know me now, you've been watching my hauls, you should know that I love bananas. I eat a banana literally every day, but I don't like when they get too soft, so I just buy them every few days when I run out. That's my Honey Nut Cheerios. I'm trying apple slices because I'm gonna make some of those protein or little snack boxes with apples. Yeah, you'll see when I make it. And I got some almond milk. I have some Laughing Cow cheese, spicy pepper jack. This is honestly, this is my favorite, but then again, I can't say it because this is the only one that I have tried. Then I have some celery for my rice. I have some tilapia fillets. Y'all, I have been craving tilapia. I do not know why, but like I've been wanting some, and I finally got some after like 3 weeks of craving it. And I know I could have got fresh, but I didn't. I got frozen, okay? And then I got some chicken wings for lunch / dinner, rotating. And then other than groceries, what I got was 2 things of toothpaste. I got a pack of Angel Soft. I love Angel Soft. That's my favorite tissue brand. I have Dove soap for sensitive skin. I have 2 Dial bars. Men deodorant. That's not mine. That's my man's. This is my soap, and this is my deodorant. So I got my pan, I got my heat on high, and I have 1 can of chicken broth. And I just realized, I'm not sure when I used that last. I got some in the refrigerator, I don't remember when I used it. And I know it's only good for a few days after. So I may just mix this with some water to make it the amount that I need. It should be enough. That in there. I'm gonna chop up this celery. And then I'll be back to show you guys what I do. So I have this on medium heat. I'm turning up the medium low heat, medium high heat. And I'm going to pour the onions and celery in here. Oh! So I'm gonna add a little olive oil. Add in a little chicken broth. We're gonna let this saute for a little bit. The celery and onions are sauteed enough. And we have the chicken broth boiling. We're gonna pour this in here. And then take your cup of white rice, jasmine rice, whatever. I use jasmine rice because that's my favorite. It's to you. It's whichever rice you prefer. And then you're gonna mix this in. If you don't like onions, if you don't like a lot of onions and a lot of celery, you can tweak it to your liking. But I love onions and celery cooked, not raw. So yeah. Now I'm gonna add a little water in here. I'm gonna add a little water. Just a little bit. Y'all know I got to add some garlic salt a little bit. Don't look like a little bit, but it was. So I'm gonna turn this down to medium low heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. But you let it simmer according to what your rice says, what the packaging says on your rice. These, and when I'm done, I will back on and show you guys the next step. So I'm going to season these. So I have the Creole season. I usually would let these marinate, but I'm pushing the time, so I'm just going to season these on both sides the same way. So we're going to transfer these wings to this pan. Squishing all the chicken together like this, but at the end it will all cook evenly because I'm not about to get another pan. So y'all, the rice is done. meal prep. These are just the regular season wings with green beans and rice with celery and onions. And then I added barbecue sauce on one of them. Alright, y'all, so I'm back for basically day 2, not really. But yeah, I'm back trying out the Alani new pre-workout today. Yesterday I tried out the energy drink, y'all. I give it a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. It was so good, y'all, and it tastes just like a mimosa. So they hit the flavor dead on. I did not get any jittery feeling, no itching, tingling, no. It was so good. I will buy it again. And like my GNC store, they actually had buy 5 get 1 free. I mean, and they're $2.79, so that's a decent price for an energy drink. So today I'm gonna try out the Alani new pre-workout in the Hawaiian Shave Ice flavor. I told you guys about it yesterday. So it says mix half a scoop in 6 to 8 ounces of water 20 to 30 minutes before your workout. Once tolerance has been assessed, you may use 1 full serving scoop. So I'm definitely gonna use a half scoop. I may use a little less than half, just because I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared because I hate that itching, tingling feeling. I hate it. So it said, oh, in 6 to 8 ounces water. So let me hold it. I'm gonna do 8 ounces because I want to make sure it is watered down as much as possible. Okay. I hate when I rip out of y'all. Ooh. Oh. Gotta find this. I hope it's, yeah. Ooh. This is how the scoop look. So it says I'm assuming this is half. Yeah, let's see. This looks like half. I heard that they are really sweet. So it is $5.41. Shake it one more time though. It's not a nasty taste, but I don't really know what it tastes like. I don't really care for Hawaiian Shave Ice, so I don't really know if it tastes exactly like it. I can just say it tastes good. Like, to me it tastes like it's a pink lemonade flavor. I'm probably gonna regret this because I'm taking it at 5.42. Well, I took it at 5.41. but I'm probably gonna reveal this. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this and I'll come back on and tell you guys that's my workout how to do.